Question 13. Kerry has two fair six-sided dice, A and B. Kerry is going to roll both dice. Part A, complete the sample space diagram to show all the possible outcomes. So they've already started it off for you, and you can see what they're doing with their results. They're writing this number followed by this number. Okay, so the dice A followed by dice B, and they've put brackets around it. So here we could get 4 and then 4. We could then have 4 and 5, and then 4 and 6. Here we could have 5 and 4, 5 and 5, 5 and 6. We could then have 6 and 4, 6 and 5, and then 6 and 6. Okay, that's one easy mark. Write down the probability that Kerry will get a 1 on dice A and a 1 on dice B. So here you need to use this table to look for where both of the numbers are 1. Well, that's only this case here, so there's 1, and then there's how many possible outcomes in total. Well, if you're not sure, you can count these boxes, or you could do 6 times by 6, which is 36. So it's 1 out of 36. It can't be simplified. Then it says Kerry rolls dice A and dice B. Compare the probability that Kerry will get a total of 6 with the probability that she will get a total of 7. So these are just the results on this table. I need to look at the ones that add to give me 6, and I need to look at the ones that add to give me 7, and I need to compare them. So if I look back at the table, okay, the ones that add to give me 6, well, 1 plus the 5 will give me a 6, so I'm just going to jot that there. 2 plus 4 is going to give me a 6, 3 plus 3 is going to give me 6, 4 plus 2 is 6, and 5 plus 1 is 6. There aren't any others. I can't get a 0 on one of the dice and get a 6 on the other. Okay, so I've only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 possible outcomes. So the probability of getting a 6 is 5 out of 36 possible outcomes. The probability for the total being 7, okay, well I'm going to do the same again. Now I could get a 1 and a 6, that's going to give me 7, 2 and 5 gives me 7, 3 and 4 is also 7, 4 and 3 is 7, 5 and 2 7, and 6 and 1 is 7. Okay, well that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 possible. So the probability of getting a total 7 is 6 out of 36. And then you're just going to say the probability of getting a 7 is higher.